Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and this is one of the most exciting times of the year. Now it's mid-December, and definitely Christmas and all the holidays, that makes things exciting. But there's one other thing that makes this time of year really exciting, and that is seed catalog time. Now, I love seed catalogs. I actually went ahead and splurged and bought the Baker Creek seed catalog, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the pictures, the stories, the recipes, it definitely makes you excited to buy seeds. Now, there does come a problem with this, and that is the I must have all the seeds issue that I think we all go through as gardeners. So I definitely want to buy all the seeds. So in today's video, I want to go over some of the steps that I go through to try and not be the one who purchases all the seeds. So let's show you the system that I've come up with. Now, I did another video a few days ago that kind of showed you my seed planting process. Now, that is going to come into play on how many seeds I purchase, because now I know exactly what seeds I want to plant. So let me show you what it looks like when it's printed up. Now, right here I have my Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to put on the screen kind of a little clip of what it looks like coming out of my last video. And I will link my garden planning video up above. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but this is what it looks like printed out. So this is the Excel spreadsheet. And then I have each of my monthly garden plans. And also, just so that I could know exactly what I have and what I need to get, I wrote out all of the seeds that I'm going to be planting this year and whether or not they are purchased. I've been on a seed buying sprees already, and I do have some circled. So I do need to get my sun sugar tomatoes. I need to get some red onions. Maybe I need to think about whether or not I want to plant those. And I need to get some dragon tongue beans and basil. Now, it really helps to know exactly what I have and what I need to buy. And let me show you what I came up with so that I can store my seeds appropriately and basically visually see what I have. Now, I did go ahead and buy this 3-ring binder. I also purchased the largest pocketed holders, plastic holders that I could find, so that they can hold my largest seed packets. I thought about all the different ways that I could organize the seeds, and I decided the best way to organize them is by warm season and cool season, and then I have them in there alphabetically. I've also put seed packets in so they're facing both ways, and it works out really well. This binder does have a zipper, so it does hold everything in place. At the end, I did put my herbs and separated out the flowers also. As you can see, I got a little carried away in years gone by, and this year with zinnias and marigolds. These were purchased before I had this plan in place, so at that time I had no idea what I had, and I was just ordering whatever I could find. Now, there are many other ways to store seeds. My storage system is not meant for long term. I use a lot of seeds, and I do basically use up everything that I have from year to year. Maybe the longest they'll go is 2 years, and I've had no problem with storing seeds for 2 years. Now, if I wanted to store these appropriately, I'm going to put a picture on this screen that will show you a system that I think would work really well. Now, that is a photo box that has individual boxes in it, and those are sized big enough that you can fit larger seed packets, as far as I know. I haven't tried one yet, but I may try one later. You can also get moisture absorbers and put those in with the seeds, and then stick everything in the freezer. That would give you a long-term storage. You can also use small canning jars with the moisture removers in them, and that would also help. Stick those in the freezer, and you should be able to store your seeds for long-term. Now, each seed, I think, has a different amount of storage time, and I'll see if I can find any documents that talk about seed storage and link that down below. But as I said, my storage is not for long term. I may think about doing that later, but I'm not doing that this year. So the 3-ring binder in my closet works really well. Now, I'm going to challenge you to go look at the seeds that you have, organize them, make sure you know what you have, and then make a plan for this year so you know how many seeds you can buy. So when you open up those gorgeous glossy seed catalogs, you're not tempted to order everything in the book like I am sometimes. I may still order a few more just for fun. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you do enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe, share them with your friends, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.